You're watching Homegirl Creates with me, Adora. When we originally bought the house, there was a water hookup in the garage, but that was all. And Homeboy installed a hand washing sink. And then some shelving. And then we just started piling things in this corner, as one usually does. But it was always my dream to have a dog washing station. But first, we're going to have to clean this mess up. So we took down the shelves, cleared off the wall. This shelving came from where Homeboy works. In the cafeteria, this would have been used to slide your tray on to get your food at lunch. How about that? They were going to throw them out. He just repurposed them. This is some reclaimed wood that I had sanded down. I like the gray patina on it. Homeboy did his own plumbing and his own filming of this part. Good job, Homeboy. Now to clean up this other section. Ta-da! Isn't this so much nicer? This is Baby Belle. She loves to take a bath, and she loves to go for a car ride. But she didn't know she had her own bathtub in the garage now. Look at that wiggle butt. Look what we built for you, Baby Belle. But we'll share this with the other pets. We could probably wash all the dogs in the neighborhood with this now. Start a little side business if we wanted. Aw, she loves her bath time. Plus, this is a multi-purpose sink. We could use it for washing other things that are too big for that little sink. All clean. Look how happy.